finishing touches, and we are eventually done.
Happy?
Yeah, really happy. It's a tricky thing, stairs, and for me, you obviously walk into the house here, it's the first thing you see, so we had to get this right. I think it's credit to Fixima as well. Like I say, there's a lot of people out there, there's a lot of confusion online when you're looking for stairs and suppliers and stuff like that, so you have to make sure you're going to get kind of the best, and I think from start to finish, Fixima were amazing. Also, I love how they helped me find a joiner in the area. Turned out I got a lad called Craig who was unbelievable. So a mix of the supplier being amazing, the product being amazing, and then the joiner being amazing, and this is what you get. So yeah, honestly, it's perfect, literally perfect.
Fixima is the UK supplier of oak joinery and staircase renovation components. With premium quality craftsmanship, fast delivery, responsive support, competitive prices and high stock levels, Fixima has you covered. You can simply shop online or come visit our brand new Doncaster showroom to meet all of our team and get a free quote on all of our oak joinery and staircase renovation components. So why wait? Renovate today with Fixima.